In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger plan effortlessly. Whether you're switching providers or simply restructuring your online needs, canceling your plan should be quick and stress-free. Let's walk through the simple steps together to make sure you know exactly what to do. First, we need to head over to Hostinger's website. Open up your preferred web browser and go to Hostinger's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a nice clean layout waiting for you. The next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the website. Click on it and enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account. Logging in verifies your identity, ensuring you're making changes to the right account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your control hub where you can manage everything related to your Hostinger services. Our next stop is the billing section. Look for the billing tab, which you should find easily on the navigation panel, typically located on the left side of your dashboard. This section houses all your payment details, invoices and more. Under the billing section, click on the subscriptions tab. This is where you'll see a comprehensive list of all the services you're currently subscribed to. Locate the plan you wish to cancel, which should be listed along with other active subscriptions. Find the cancel option next to the respective plan. This step is crucial as it's where you formally indicate your decision to terminate the service. Take a moment here. Cancelling your subscription might mean losing data or service capabilities. Be sure this is the right move for you. Once you're sure, confirm the cancellation. Hostinger will likely guide you through some additional prompts to finalize your decision. These prompts ensure that cancellations are deliberate and not accidental, safeguarding your interests. And there you have it. Within minutes, you've successfully navigated through Hostinger's site and cancelled your plan. It's always good to double check your email for a confirmation notification of your plan's cancellation. Keep this email for your records just in case you need to reference it in the future. Thank you for following along with this step-by-step guide on cancelling your Hostinger plan. Remember, if you run into any issues or have further questions, Hostinger's customer support is always a valuable resource. They can offer assistance to ensure your experience is smooth and straightforward. Please be sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day and see you next time.